Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Dell model and battery ID because firmware and parts differ by model. Next, plug the original charger and watch LED behavior. This tells you if the adapter or port is the issue. If the battery is removable, take it out now, then hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds to drain residual power. This resets embedded controllers. Once done, reconnect the charger with no battery to see if the laptop powers on directly. Now you update BIOS and power management firmware because charging algorithms live there and fixes often arrive this way. After BIOS, open Device Manager and uninstall the Microsoft XP-compliant control method battery, then reboot so Windows reinstalls drivers correctly. Next, calibrate. Charge to 100%, then use the laptop until about 5% and recharge. Repeat once. These steps correct battery reporting and can resolve for final verification. Test with a known good Dell charger of the same wattage so you eliminate adapter mismatch. Chargers underpowered will not charge while the system runs. Inspect the DC jack and power connector for looseness or melted plastic and clean contacts. Poor contact prevents charging. If after firmware, driver, and hardware checks the battery still won't charge, replace the battery or take it to authorized service. One tip: try a bootable diagnostics tool to capture error codes before repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.